Hello, everyone. My name is Charlie. Thank you, Steve, for the introduction. Today, we got an automated cell in combination with our UR5E robot, industrial robot arm, with our Japan Unix DF305S. Essentially, what this robot's going to do is going to pick up the part. In this case, it's a PCB, and then place it into the soldering robot. And once that's done, it's going to place it into the drop station here at the bottom here. The interesting part about this kind of setup is that you can implement different types of robot arms, including FANUC. In this case, it's a UR or an ABB. It really depends on the customer application. Examples here at Fancort Industries, as we are a certified integrator by Japan Unix. We have a fully dedicated staff in developing applications, optimizing processes, and providing the best customer support. We work with the latest software and robotic technologies, which are implemented in every project. We take pride in our flexibility in combining these technologies for you to provide the best solution. Thank you for taking the time to watch our demonstration. Here's a little close-up of the PCB that was soldered. It's kind of hard to see here at the moment, but
okay, we're going to show one more cycle of the UR robot taking place to the robot platform for soldering.
So here is an example to show the two robots are communicating with each other. So after the UR robot replacing the board to the fixture, then the benchtop robot will receive a start signal from UR. We can say a cobot. It's a cooperation robot. And when the soldering is finished, the bench soldering robot will send out another signal to UR robot to pick up and drop the board.